I am Sam with Stone Ridge Metalworks and 840 Customs. Brandon sent me a message on Instagram one day asking to do a little class with him and the original 840 crew. So we set it up, got together, and kind of just rolled with it from there. I sell insurance, I make knives, whatever the wind takes me.
How long?
About a year and a half, just about. I mean, I've done oil changes with my dad and stuff like that, but I've never really done anything independent until I started working with Brandon in 840, so. I have a 1980 Volvo 240 wagon and a 2014 Fusion. We're gonna be doing some work to the Buick. I'm excited for that, and then hopefully we'll pull the Volvo out of the garage and get going on that. Whatever Brandon tells me to do. Yes, I do enjoy almost everything we do. I hate cleaning the shop. Ooh, it's been probably about a year. There was a recall on the Fusion, so we brought it in. Um, 6.2 LS, baby. Couldn't tell you. That little Honda K block, some of those sound pretty sweet sometimes. Adjacently, yes. I can drive adjacent. Definitely, maybe. I've been liking the Volvos a lot. I think Volvo might be it. You know, they really innovated the safety game back in the day. And I'm a big safety guy. No, I sound like a redo that one. I actually kind of like the luxury cars the most. So Pagani's got to be up there. De Tomaso's doing some cool things with the P72. And then for just like everyday cars, I'm liking Mopar more lately, and Volvo as well. We had this Corolla when I was growing up. That thing sucked. The Supra, all of them. All of the Supras are pretty overrated. Like the Mark III is pretty bad. The Mark IV is actually kind of cool, the new one, but yeah, no, the Mark III fanboys are the worst. Fast and Furious 15. No. Probably Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. Big fan of that one. I like David Freiberger. He kind of just gets it going, duct tape and all that. So that's pretty cool. And then Brandon also, you know, Ed. Supercharger, baby. Find a mentor or someone who's been doing it for a long time and learn from them, because you can just watch the YouTube videos and all that, but everyone's got their own tricks. So find someone who's doing it and go do it with them. 47 hours to pick up a pile of rust from a field in Illinois. And we went straight there, straight back, no stopping, except so that Ed could sleep. Brandon. Probably the lift. The lift is so nice. I couldn't probably figure out how to do anything without the lift. You know, you can see under the car, reach around, all that. The Buick. The Buick was hard. All sorts of new stuff. It was my first time building an engine. First time pulling an engine, dropping an engine, all that. It was a big project for me. Shout out Brandon and Ed for getting me into the car industry. It's a fun game to play, even though it's kind of going to financially ruin me. If you need a custom knife, cutting board, cutlery, anything like that, want to take a class, message me on Instagram, Stone Ridge by Sam. Cool. Good? Sweet. Are we just gonna say it? You wanna look at me?